Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having another food tour. This is the Tracing the Bao episode 2. I did one a while ago to a Bao restaurant, and that was a very short and quick video. And today I come to this restaurant. This is mainly selling the Tianjin baozi. I actually come here quite often to buy their takeaway baos, and then I freeze it at my freezer and then heat it up afterwards at home. So, but today I'll just sit here and do a dine-in and order three types of the bao. One is the pork bun and pork bun, beef bun, and the famous Bristol pork bun. So I'm going to do a taste testing with you guys here.
On the menu, there are various types of baozi are selling here. So I ordered that pork bun, beef bun, and this breast pork bun. They also have vegetarian bao. I also ordered a tofu jelly with gravy and eggplant on rice. This restaurant actually has a full menu, not just selling baozi, even though their baozi is one of their famous products. There are rice with different toppings, dumplings, soup noodles, and stir-fry noodles, sweet and savory pancakes, and most of the popular Chinese stir-fry dishes.
Okay, my baos are here. I don't know, I mean, they mixed it, so I have to check it later to see what are the flavors there. So this is the tofu jelly with gravy, and this is the sour milk. That's a free sour milk because my order has reached the $30. Let me try the baozi first. Take the one on top first. I think that's the normal pork bun. $5 for $5.50 for four. That's the normal pork bun. Good. Let me try the other small one because you see these two are comparatively bigger because that's the Bristol pork bun. So the small one are $5 for four, I think. The bigger one is $5.50 for two. So I'm pretty sure this is the beef bun. So there is one chili on the menu, which means it should be a little bit spicy. So let me try that now. They really make it very nice. You see those plates, those foldings, so beautiful. I really want to learn this kind of foldings. Hmm? Yeah, that's the beef. It looks quite similar to the pork bun, but the taste is totally different. This one, the flavor of the beef is quite obvious, and I also can taste a little bit spicy. So it is just a tiny bit of like chili spicy with the pork, with the beef mince, and the beef really, I mean, the flavor of the beef is really strong. Like personally, to be honest, I like pork bun more than a beef bun. But for this video, I also ordered this one to do a taste testing for you guys. Okay, finally, let me do the Bristol pork bun, which is the bigger one. See, compared to this regular pork bun, the Bristol pork bun is a lot bigger. As you can see, the size. This is $5.50. The big one is $5.50 for two. Still quite a good price, to be honest. And the Bristol pork bun is quite popular and famous among the Chinese pork bun. So if you watch YouTube videos, you actually can see a lot of people are making or teaching people how to make this kind of pork bun. The flavor is totally different. I mean, the pork is you see the flavor is a lot more. I mean, the ingredients is a lot more. There is a mushroom there, pork mince, and the peas there. And actually, the oh, and I also see a little bit hot tofu. I think that's the hot tofu, and also the seasoning of this pork, roasted pork bun, is different from the mini, the smaller pork bun. It is a lot more flavorful than the smaller one, and also the layers of flavor is stronger than the smaller pork bun. I actually quite like this one. Mm, good. So good. Also a little bit carrot there. I like it. I like the shiitake mushroom inside. I like the shiitake mushroom inside, and also they also put the fatty part of the pork inside. I don't really eat the fatty part, but that's why I think it makes the flavor a lot stronger and nicer than the smaller pork bun. Good. I really like it. Okay, now let me also taste their tofu jelly with gravy. Interesting. The tofu is super soft, like I mean, it's actually quite watery, so you can't really do a pan fry or anything. So it is very soft and watery, and the gravy is nice. I can see there is a black fungus inside, and shiitake mushroom, I think, and some pork slices inside. Yep. And they also put the sesame oil to enhance the flavor of the gravy. It's nice. Okay, I'm not going to do a taste test for the eggplant on rice. I'm pretty sure I know the flavor of that. That's for my mom, and I'm pretty full at the moment. So overall, I'm super like say this bao shop is my favorite bao shop. I always come here to buy a lot of bao and take it home and put it in my freezer. And I'm very happy with my food tasting today. So that's all for this video. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.